sliding. Hey, good day. We're here at White Rock in Hillsborough, New Brunswick, Canada. I came up about 700 vertical feet to do this trail called Viagra over here, but it's actually not groomed yet, so I'm not going to do it, and I think it's a little off camber, so I definitely don't want to break trail on it or mess up their grooming, so I won't do that. So I actually was already down here. I came up, picked my way down a couple of trails, and found just some awesome trails to connect up. So I'm glad I found out that I couldn't go that route. So much that I decided to climb back up those vertical feet. A little bit easier this time. I kind of forgot I was on an e-bike, so I put it in boost mode, and it was a lot easier to get up than the first time. Anyway, we're going to go down this first one. This is the XC downhill race track, so it's pretty vertical. You see, we will lose a lot of that elevation right away, and then we'll jump into some of the jump track. Obviously, won't be jump the fat bike, and then we're going to run into the cut, and then the gully, then Wolf of Wall Street, and then back to the truck. Giddy up. I can't believe that they groomed this. Hoping no one's going to be climbing this. They sure did. It's a downhill flat track. We'll take a few breaks on the way down. I've already done quite a bit of climbing today. There's one section I gotta be a little careful. It gets really powdery. But for the most part, the snow is pretty firm. We had some snow, then we had some rain, then we had some snow. So it's great conditions, really grippy. Other than when it hits the powder once in a while. Like here's powder right here. Ooh, a little jump. Ooh. So this is where it got really powdery, I believe. Yep. Ooh, sliding. Okay. Now we're going to power over to the jump track. How's it going? Good, good. Whew. In. Yeah. Yep. Cool, man. Thanks for the chat. Yep. Have a good one. Yep. Oh god, that's fun. Here, we'll jump into the cut. fun. Oh, it's a beautiful mess in that corner. And these brakes are good now. Hey, Owen. Hey. This way. Wall Street. Into the gully. Fuck that up.